Ready for the intro? Are you ready for the intro? Are you ready for the intro? Hi guys. Do you see my unblended highlighter? I can see her. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. What am I doing today? Today I created this whole look, which is very extra, very extravagant, and it is for New Year's. I love to do New Year's very different. It's like the opposite of Christmas. It's dark, it's smoky, it's glitter, it's every other of the cool colors. Like it's black, it's everything. Last year I did silver and like red, and now I'm doing like blue, purple with the black. It's just gray. It's just a lot of fun. And then we have like this purple holographic lip, not holographic, but like purple iridescent, and then like some purple highlighter, and it's just a lot of colors. So this is gonna be a fun one. It's also an absolute mess. You're just gonna see, because this video is gonna be so bad, and it's gonna be voiceover, half of it not voiceover. It's going to be a mess. So just hold on tight and try to understand what's going on. If you're new here, I'm so sorry for you to be the first video. I'm so sorry. I apologize. But yeah, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get started before I talk for 7 years. Alright guys, so we're jumping right into this. My brows are on, my eyes are primed, and we're going into the James Charles X Morphe palette. This is the shade Escape. It looks different than it does in the pan, but it's fine. This is the color I was going for. So I started with just packing the color on and then starting to blend after that with like a big fluffy brush. But it wasn't working out for me. Like if you can see here, it's patching up. It's darker in the inner corner than the outer corner. It's not consistent. I don't know what's going on. I've played with this shade before, but it did not treat me like this. I spent like 20 to 30 minutes blending this, like not even gonna lie. I gotta get the crease. I can't. Like I literally can't. Okay, so for cutting the crease, we're using the LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm using the shade Creamy Beige. I'm using the applicator on the concealer just to get a nice thick layer on there because we're cutting the crease really high today. We need to, because of all that ugliness that we need to cover up. So I took a flat brush and I kind of just carried it up really high because once again, you want to just cut away as much of this as possible. I could have cut it higher, but I am not that skilled. So I left it here and I just kind of went in and perfected it as much as I could to cover up everything else. Alrighty, so now I'm taking a small brush, a little skinny flat brush, and I'm just going in and reinforcing the crease colors like I always do. It just makes your crease sharper, bolder. We've discussed this. It's great. Alright, so now I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in black, I guess. The regular one I have is milk, but this is the black one. And I'm sorry that I kind of went off camera doing this. It's my first time ever doing this, so I had to super focus. But I rubbed it on the eye, and then I grabbed the brush directly on the pencil to get it more precise. I was like, I'm not putting this jumbo pencil on the edge of my cut crease. So I just continued to do that and keep doing it until I got close enough to my creases I liked. And then I just kind of blended it out with a little like fluffy brush later to like merge it all together. And now it's for the fun part. Oh my gosh. So I'm taking this pressed glitter pigment called Artistry from the James Charles palette. It looks bright purple in the plan, but when you apply it, it looks like this purple, dark blue duochrome. Like it has this flashy effect and it's so gorgeous. I tried it dry and it was pretty, but when I wet it, it came out even better. Like it looked so pretty. So after that, I'm basically taking this, what is it called? Like a darker cranberry purple, like, no, like a dark mauve, like a super dark purple. And I'm pressing that on the outer corners to give us some definition, and then I'm just kind of blending it into the edge of the crease. So now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just kind of merging everything together so we don't look patchier than we already do. And yeah, I did the liner off camera because girl, it was a struggle. I don't even want to talk about it. It was hard. So I'm putting on some liquid highlighter under my foundation. If this ain't a hot mess, girl, I don't know what is. Hit the nose, hit the bridge of the nose. Oh, this is my song. This is a bop right here. Hit them right there, hit them right there. Probably like, Safiyyah, that's really icy. I know. I had a plan, and then it didn't work out. Got cut off by my alarm. So I'm taking two of my favorite foundations. I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made and the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shades T15 and 08A. And we're just gonna make things happen right now. because now I'm truly in a rush and I have to go to the doctor and to work right now, and like, this is why we don't have nice things, like, actually. I'm so poor. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. My setup right now is that my what is this called? My mirror is not in front of me, it's over here, so like, a girl's looking sideways, but you guys get what I'm doing. So now for our under eye concealer, your under eye concealer needs to be literally the fullest coverage thing you've ever seen in your entire life. So for today, we're doing Tarte Shape Tape under the eyes. I don't want to hear a thing. It's for the look. All right, there are some things I just, no. Oh, Jesus, okay. Literally, like, conceal all of my sins. And then I'm gonna take some of the Maybelline Age Rewind because she's full coverage too, and we're just gonna, you know, just dab her. Oh my god, I went too high up. Oh my god, I hate myself. Oh, the bops are on. Let's go. Do I have to pee again? It's like I'm pregnant. I hate being on my period. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm speeding up this part of the video because like it's not that much different from my everyday routine. It's just a little bit more exaggerated. So throwing on cream contour to snatch the cheeks because we want them extremely snatched, extremely harsh. This is not a natural makeup tutorial by any means. We want them to know we're wearing makeup. We want them to see the makeup, but we want it to look good. I forgot we're doing liquid highlight today. Forgot, sorry. Alright guys, so this part I'm skipping over also because like it's super simple. I'm applying more liquid highlighter because we want to literally beam into the sky. That is the goal. So I'm applying that on my forehead, the high points of my face, cupid's bow, chin, cheekbones, everywhere, blending it out. Then I'm going ham with the bronzer. It's the same bronzer I always use. Elf contour palette? Yes, Elf contour palette, and I'm just throwing it literally everywhere. We want the cheekbones to be snatched, so we go in with the powder afterwards and kind of just snatch everything in. So we're not powdering the cheeks, we're just powdering under the cheeks. I'm doing the same nose contour I always do, but I allowed myself to go a little bit more heavy-handed with it because I was like, well, you know what, let's just match everything else. So it's a little bit darker, but you know, snatch it, girl. Why not? So for blush, I'm going to be using like this magenta-y, purpley blush kind of thing. I'm going to be using this, and oh wait, she's pigmented. Oh wait, oh god, it's not again. I've been tricked by a pigmented blush again. I hate when they get me like this. Like, stop it. So I have a highlighter that I want to try. I'm just not sure how it's going to look on my skin tone. So we're going to... What is this? Hello? Be quiet. Who are you? This could look really bad. Oh my god, I'm fucking purple. I think I'm living. Wait. Oh no, queen. Queen. Okay, I love it, but like, I don't know. I don't know about it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't... It's very... Am I living? Let's try this side. I gotta see this side. I'm literally purple. Oh my god. Is this the thing right now? Am I doing this? Am I going to work with purple highlighter again? Not even for the first time. Again. Like... So I want to take a little bit of Rose Gold Master Chrome. Oh my god, she's so gorgeous. Like, honestly, one of the most shook... This highlighter literally makes me question my allegiance to every other highlighter I own. Do you ever regret something so bad, but you're in too deep? That's me right now. Wait, isn't there a bright pink in here? I want to try that one. That's pretty. basically I had to deal with some personal stuff real quick, and it got real wild, and I had to stop filming and come back, and then I put my lip on camera. So on my lips I have e.l.f. dark brown liquid lipstick, then on top of it I have Rimmel London X Kate pink. It's just a brown liner with a pink in the middle, like I do every time. And then I put on some sparkly lip glosses, which are like you know, they're like pretty. I don't know if you can see on camera, but like they're a little iridescent. So it's pink, but it shifts to blue and purple. It's dope. But let me see if I can show you guys on camera what it looks like. Wait, no, there it is. You can see it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so it matches, but it's nude. So that's what I'm wearing. So I have 4 things on my lips. Don't come for me. So I hope you guys liked this video. It was a freaking mess, and I'm gonna try to edit it not to be, if I even have the footage. So this is a finished look. I can get in so close now. I love it. Okay. Yes. Close it. Yes. It's reading like, this eyeliner is supposed to be like a sparkly black gray, but it's reading kind of blue on camera. In real life, it's gray, but this is what we came up with the purple glitter liner on the lower lash line, looking like a crackhead, but you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this unnecessary ass tutorial. Yes, I just cursed. I think I'm gonna be cursing on my channel now because I don't feel like censoring myself. I just want to be completely unapologetically myself, and yes, I do curse in real life, so like, here it is. Oh my god, you can see it. Eee! Okay, yeah, this is the end of the look. I hope you think it's cute. I hope you like it, because I'm late for work for this shit, bitch. I'm late for work. You're welcome. You're welcome. Alright, as always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I said all that good stuff. Turn your notifications on when I post, because I know y'all don't be liking that I post on Instagram every single day that I'm posting a video. So, if you don't want me to keep doing that, put on your notifications so you can just watch it. I don't have to post every single time I post a video. Okay? Okay, great. I think that's everything. Look at these green nails with this New Year's eye. Christmas on the hands and New Year's on the face, and not matching at all. Alright, I hope you guys like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!